Reorder the words in the sentence to make a correct sentence. Let's begin with the present perfect passive. We use this structure when an action happened in the past, but the result is important now. In this form, we do not focus on who performed the action. Instead, we focus on the thing that was affected. The structure is has, have, plus been, plus past participle. For example, the report has been completed. This means someone completed the report, but we are not focusing on the person. We are focusing on the fact that the report is now finished. Another example, the emails have been sent. Again, the action is complete, and what matters now is the result. The emails are now delivered. So we use the present perfect passive when the action is finished, the result is important now, and the person who did the action is not important. Now let's move to the second structure, cause and result using so. We use so to connect a reason and its result in a clear way. The pattern is clause plus so plus clause. Let's see some examples. It was raining, so the game was canceled. The deadline was extended, so we have more time. In the first sentence, the cause is the rain, and the result is the cancellation of the game. In the second sentence, the cause is the extended deadline, and the result is that we now have more time. Step 1. Confirm the answer to the question. The sentence begins with a direct response. Yes. This immediately answers the question before giving any additional explanation. In conversations, it is very common to begin with a simple yes or no before providing more details. Step 2. Identify the passive structure. Next, we need the main clause. The sentence uses the present perfect passive structure. Subject plus has been plus past participle. In this sentence, subject, it, has been, present perfect form of be, extended, past participle of extend. So we get, it has been extended. Notice that this is a passive sentence. The focus is on the deadline, not on the person who extended it. We know that someone extended it, but the person is not important. At this point, our sentence is, yes, it has been extended. Step 3. Add the limiting information. Now we need to explain how much the deadline was extended. The phrase is, by only 1 week. The preposition by tells us the amount of change. The word only emphasizes that the extension is small, not a long delay. Now the sentence becomes, yes, it has been extended by only 1 week. Step 4. Add the result clause. Finally, we add the consequence of the extension. The remaining words are, so we should still finish it on time. Let's break this part into smaller pieces. So introduces the result or conclusion. We should expresses advice or a reasonable expectation. Still means that something remains true despite a change. Finish it on time describes the expected outcome. Together, this clause tells us that even though the deadline changed, there is still enough time to complete the work. So we add, so we should still finish it on time. Final sentence. When we put all the parts together in the correct order, we get, yes, it has been extended by only 1 week, so we should still finish it on time.